how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget on PC. Now, first of all, open the Binance and make sure to log into your account. Now head over to your wallet here, click on spot. Now here, as you can see, if you don't find the USDT here, you can click on search and type USDT. So after you find it, click on it. Now here, click on withdraw because you want to transfer it. As you can see here, select the network as the BIP20. Now you need the address. You can get it from the Bitget. Now go to your Bitget and make sure to log into your account. Now head over to your wallet. As you can see, now click on deposit. Now after that, select the coin from here. As you can see, USDT, and you can search for it. So after that, click on it. Now select the network as you set it on the Binance as a BIP20. Now as you can see, you will be able to find your wallet address here. Now copy it. As you can see, click on OK. Go back to Binance and paste it here. Now after that, you can see here the withdraw. Now set how much you want to send, and as you can see, click on withdraw. So because I don't have that amount on my Binance, I can't be able to see the withdraw. So for you, click on withdraw and you will be able to send USDT to your Bitget. So this is how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.